I'm sorry, I don't fit in with the rest, and I won't follow you. I'm sorry, I don't treat you like a leader. I'm alone with what you want me to do. I won't run with the pack. I'm breaking off, finding my own track. I'm going back to the place I know, where I cannot go. I'm sorry for all my mistakes, and I'm sorry I don't have what it takes. I can't believe that you would dare follow me. I'm alone, but I can still fall to my knees. I'm sorry, I don't see what you expect, and I won't look up to you. Sorry you had to find out this way, that I no longer need you. I'm sorry for all my mistakes, and I'm sorry I don't have what it takes. I can't believe that you would dare follow me. I can't believe that you would dare follow me. I'm sorry for all my mistakes, and I'm sorry I don't have what it takes. I can't believe that you would dare follow me. I'm alone, but I can still fall to my knees. Why would you come back for me?